YouTube channel, and today I got the slime that I made yesterday. I have it right here, and today we're just gonna make cool sounds with noise with this music. So yeah, so open it up. It's kind of sticky overnight. I think it got sticky. I don't know. But ready? Guys, be right back. I have to get the shaving cream. Alright guys, I am back. And I got the shaving cream, but I also got the lotion. And before I get to put the shaving cream and the lotion, all I want to say is make sure to subscribe. Turn those post notifications so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. And give a big, huge thumbs up. All right, let's just get into the oh, so sticky, guys. All right. Now let's just add the lotion. I'm just gonna make two little holes, actually 3 little holes. All right. That's just hard lotion. Wait, land it here. All right. And then every time I put lotion on slimes, I like to spread it out. So, and then I just like to grab it and in certain area. You know, guys, if you guys know what I'm talking about, comment down below if you guys do the same thing as me, what I do. Comment down below if you guys tried the slime again, and comment down below if it did work. This is literally so stretchy. Oh, I just made a huge bubble, guys. Alright, and now I'm just gonna add shaving cream. Add it, flatten it. Alright, ready? Gotta mix it. Oops. It's just watery. I don't know why, but to be honest, this is just gonna make it a lot lighter. Look how it's turning, guys. It's just that I needed to to cover it. This is where the shaving cream is. Popped it. I guess that. Hopefully, shaving cream. Oh, it didn't work. I'm trying to make this bubble again, guys. Oh, it worked, guys. Pop it. Or let it go down. Oh, it went down because there's a hole right in this side. Guys, ask to you guys why it went down. It went down because there's a hole right here, like a pop. But you guys ready to hear it? Oh, I didn't do a lot of bubbles like we expected to do. This is just breaking. Oh. Alright, so now I'm gonna add a little, not a little, but low. It's gonna be covering the slime. There, now we don't know where the lotion is. Yeah, I don't know what the lotion is. Oh, I just popped it. Yeah, where was it? The lotion makes it sticky, but some lotion makes it hard, so shaving cream doesn't make it sticky. But hot water makes it sticky too. Oh, bro. It is so soft. It's not even hard. Nothing like. nice and so stress you up. Alright guys, this is it for this video. And yeah, bye. See you next time. Bye.